Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Alliance Design Angry Baby Bear here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, what do we have here? This is a nice pouch, nice and padded, with a velvety interior, nicely done. And then we have this little fella right over here, very, very cool guy. It's an interesting knife. It's on the small side because this overall length is going to be around less than 7 inches, like 6.9, with a 3.95 inch long handle and a 2.9 inch long blade. So really, really interesting one. It's a bolster lock. It's titanium scales with some nice carbon fiber inlays. Indeed. You have a very, very interesting blade shape, of course, Ray Laconico design, harpoon, tanto, nice belly, very, very tiny sharpening choil. You've got some sort of a finger choil kind of thing, but not really. Nice flipper tab. And then you have a carbon fiber back spacer right over here, titanium pocket clip, $360 price tag, so not a cheap one. And then you have a snappy action. Very nice. Nice sound. I enjoyed it. The grip is it's a little bit small for my hands and chubby, honestly. And you have maybe no hot spots whatsoever because everything is rounded off nicely. But I feel a little bit something going on over here in this area right there. The weight in the pocket is going to be 3.6 ounces, so very, very contained. You have the option to use a lanyard hole right there, and I mean, blade is centered, is running on bearings. I wish the action would be a little bit smoother on the closing side, but yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. Of course, it falls shut like that, and then you need to wiggle it a little bit to in order for the blade to close it. So overall, it's an interesting one. It's for sure something to consider, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.